a brilliant trick known only by experienced mechanics. It may look odd, but it makes a huge difference. When the sun is blazing, you could learn a thing or two from drivers down south. Covering your tires might seem strange, but it actually makes a lot of sense. UV rays and high temperatures accelerate the aging of rubber. Tires exposed to sunlight lose their flexibility, become brittle, may crack, and lose their performance. It's important to remember that unused tires should be stored in a cool, shaded place, the exact opposite of what happens in summer when they sit mounted in full sun. In such cases, even a simple cover made of cardboard can significantly extend tire life and help you avoid costly replacements. And it's not just the rubber that suffers. Suspension parts and brakes can also be damaged if they're exposed to intense heat and sunlight for long periods. A small effort that can save you a lot of money. Hold a lit candle next to your car's side mirror for 10 seconds. Sounds absurd, but it works brilliantly. That's why I'm going to show you a trick that explains everything. Take a regular candle. Rub the tip of the candle thoroughly over the mirror. Cover the entire surface with an even layer of wax. Don't worry, it won't damage the mirror. Now, carefully light the wax directly on the surface of the mirror. Do it quickly and safely, just for a moment so the wax melts. Then, take a cloth and rub the melted wax thoroughly into the mirror. Don't skip any spots. The layer needs to be even and well adhered to the glass. Once coated, the mirror will shed water and dirt more effectively. It improves visibility on the road during rain. It's a simple home trick that can improve visibility and increase driving safety, especially in harsh weather conditions. The paper trick is one of the simplest and most effective methods used by thieves. It involves placing a piece of paper on the rear window of a car, most often under the wiper. The driver usually notices it only when pulling out. The natural reaction is to stop, get out of the car, and remove the paper. At that very moment, the thief has an easy opportunity. They can quickly get into the car or grab valuable items inside, such as a phone, laptop, or handbag. Statistics show that items from the interior are stolen more often than entire cars. The whole trick has just one goal: to make the driver leave the vehicle. Although the method may seem simple and harmless, the consequences can be very costly, and the thief is usually long gone before the owner realizes what happened. That's why it is important to be aware of such tactics and remain cautious. The easiest safety rule is to ignore the paper. If you see something unusual on your rear window, drive to a safe place first and only then remove it. These are the 3 biggest habits that damage your car when driving with a manual transmission. Check if you're making any of them. First, resting your hand on the gear lever while driving. It causes imprecision when shifting gears and leads to premature wear of the gearbox mechanism. It's much better to keep both hands on the steering wheel to maintain full control of the car. The second mistake is resting your foot on the clutch pedal. This habit can interfere with the clutch's proper operation, causing excessive friction, overheating, and faster wear. Always keep your left foot next to the pedal and press the clutch only when shifting gears. Third, many drivers hold the clutch on hills or in traffic jams, thinking it's easier. In reality, it causes constant friction between the clutch disc and the pressure plate, drastically shortening clutch life. It's much better to put the car in neutral, pull the handbrake, and wait for the green light. This way, you rest and take care of your car at the same time. Change your habits and enjoy smooth driving every day. It costs less than $1, and the inside of your car cools down quickly. Turns out this foil can solve the problem. It's an emergency thermal blanket you can buy at a pharmacy for just a couple of dollars. It has 2 sides, gold and silver. Each serves a different purpose. The silver side reflects heat, while the gold side stores it. Spray the car's front windshield with water and stick the blanket onto it. Place it with the gold side facing the glass. The silver side should be on the outside. You can smooth the foil on the windshield with your hand. If you don't have a sunshade or automatic air conditioning that turns on before you get in, you know how hot the interior can get in summer. With this foil, the sun won't heat up the inside of the vehicle as much. After just a few minutes, you'll feel the difference. The car won't get as hot inside. I've been using this trick for years and it has never let me down. A white towel hanging on a car's side mirror is a very important signal for you. It's not a decoration or a random item. This small detail carries a hidden meaning. It's a simple but effective way to inform other drivers of something important. That's why you should always have such a towel in your car, especially when planning a longer trip. In the United States, hanging a white towel or piece of cloth on a car mirror is a well-known signal. Drivers use this simple method to indicate that the vehicle has been immobilized due to a breakdown, and they've left to seek help. This signal conveys two crucial messages. First, that no one in the car needs emergency assistance, and second, that the vehicle has not been abandoned. It's also a clear sign for law enforcement not to tow the car. The owner intends to return. So if you see such a towel, know that the driver needs time to get help and hasn't left the car unattended. Be cautious and respectful of the signal. They don't teach this in driving school. Become a perfect driver with these tips. You can park perfectly anywhere. Just follow these simple steps. Move close to the front of the car on your right until your right mirror is aligned with it. Turn the steering wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly move forward until you see the parking line touch your car's door handle in the mirror. Then, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and start reversing. Straighten the wheel and continue backing up until your car fits perfectly into the parking space. Parallel parking. Approach the car in front and stop when your mirror aligns with the side mirror of the car next to you. This is the perfect starting position. Turn the wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly reverse while watching your right mirror. When your rear door handle aligns with the car behind, stop. Straighten the wheel and keep reversing until your rear right tire touches the parking space's center line. Now, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and continue reversing until your car is perfectly parallel to the curb. Many drivers make the same mistake. They turn the wheel immediately when pulling out. Here's the correct way to do it. First, move forward without turning the wheel. Keep going until the end of your driver's door aligns with the front of the car next to you. Only then should you turn the wheel in the desired direction and continue driving out. This way, you'll avoid hitting the nearby vehicle. These simple methods will protect your car from unnecessary damage and make parking in tight spots much easier.